Ooh, look at this extended FOIL problem. You're going to have a lot of distributive property. What's going to happen is since we have a trinomial times a trinomial, we're going to focus on the first term of this trinomial and distribute that to all three of those guys. So x squared times negative x squared is negative x to the fourth. X squared times positive 3x is positive 3x cubed. And x squared times negative 5 is negative 5x squared. Now let's do the same exact thing with the negative 2x. Multiply that negative 2x to all three terms in the other parentheses. Negative 2x times negative x squared is positive 2x to the third. Negative 2x times positive 3x is negative 6x squared. And negative 2x times negative 5 is positive 10x. Do it one more time. Negative 8 times negative x to the second, 3x, and negative 5. Negative 8 times negative x squared is positive 8x squared. Negative 8 times positive 3x is going to be negative 24x. And negative 8 times negative 5 is positive 40. Now, there's going to be combining like terms. Is there anything like negative x to the fourth? Nope. Is there anything like negative or regular 3x cubed? Yep. How about 2x cubed? Okay, combine those, and that gets you 5x cubed. Is there anything like 5x squared, negative 5x squared? Sure, negative 6x squared and positive 8x squared. So negative 5 minus 6 is negative 11. Negative 11 plus 3 is negative 3. Bring x squared along for the ride. 10x is just like negative 24x, which is going to be 10 minus 24 is negative 14. Carry along the x. And 40 is all alone by itself. So let's add 40. That is going to be that. Fun, fun.